how to delete your USPS Informed Delivery account permanently. So in here, the very first thing you want to do is simply go through your browser and simply type usps.com, and then you'll get into this website where you need to tap on sign in, and then simply add in all of the credentials of your account in order to sign into your delivery account, right? So of course, then from there, what you're gonna do is simply access your profile. Once you're logged in, navigate to my profile, then you'll be able to see account preferences, tap on that one, and then you can actually opt out of informed delivery. For that, you can simply under the informed delivery settings, you'll be able to uncheck the feature to disable the service. Then from there, you can request account deletion. You can scroll all the way down to delete account or submit a request via customer care to delete the entire USPS online platform too. And then from there, all you need to do is follow all of the given on-screen prompt, and just like that, you'll successfully be able to delete your USPS Informed Delivery account permanently.